Hey guys, it's Sergio with Beaver Toyota with some really exciting news. Our Black Friday Silent Sale is on one more time, and this year it's going to be bigger and better than ever. We're going to have hundreds of vehicles on sale for you to choose from. Here's how it works. On Thanksgiving Day, there'll be no salespeople, no managers, no staff here whatsoever, but what we will have is open gates and hundreds of vehicles for you to choose from. In those vehicles, there will be hang tags with our silent sale prices. This price is going to be the lowest price that we could ever sell the vehicle for. You come, you find your vehicle, you see your price, you come back Black Friday, and you purchase the vehicle. Simple and easy. We're going to be here at 6 a.m. and to top it all off, 25 of the first customers are going to be able to choose from a 55-inch TV or an Apple iPad. These prices are going to come down at noon because it's the best price we could ever offer. Even if you're not in the market for a vehicle, I'm paying a $300 referral fee. That's only good for Black Friday. So if you don't know anybody, send me their information, their name and number, and I'll reach out to schedule an appointment. And if they buy a car from me on Black Friday, you get a $300 check. Last year, we sold 72 cars on Black Friday, and our customers got the craziest deals they could have ever expected to get. The sale's gonna be huge. Please don't miss it.